Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can post from your company page in LinkedIn. This method is not complicated, but it is rather similar to the one that you post from your own profile on LinkedIn. So let's get started. Once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, you need to go to feed. You can simply just click on home button here. You need to make sure that you are the admin of the page or you have the authority to post on your company behalf. To create a post from your company page, you need to click on start a post. And on the top, you can see there's your name written here. Just click on this name. You need to select your company page rather than your own profile and click on save. And now my company name is selected. Now I'm going to write a post. Once you are done writing the post, you can add your hashtags, you can add picture from here, or you can add video, or you can attach a document in your post. Once you are done with readying up your post, you just need to click on post. Now you have successfully posted from your company's page. And there you go. Now you can see this is the post from your company's page. Now other people can like it, leave a comment and everything. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.